What's up, everybody? My name's Chad, and today we're riding in the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. Stay tuned. Today I really want to test out the panoramic glass sunroof and listen to hear the wind noise when opening up. Stay tuned. Alright, everybody, we're going to open up the panoramic glass sunroof on the new Tiguan and have a listen to the wind noise. That's what I want to test out. We are on the interstate right now, going about 55 miles per hour. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. You do have one click to open, as you can see. So I have one hand on the steering wheel, and the other one, the sunroof's just opening right on up for me, which is very nice. All right, let's have a listen. So as you can hear, pretty quiet for the most part, even with the sunroof open. Not very loud. I'm not sure exactly right now how it sounds on the camera microphones, but I mean, of course you can hear the wind, but it's not real obnoxious sounding. That windscreen does a great job right up here, okay? So that's something to pay attention to, and it's nice and big. All right, let's close it back up. And once it's closed, it's really quiet on the cabin, which is nice. I always talk about that a little bit. I'm like, people like cars that are quiet on the interior when everything's closed up. I mean, we do hear some road noise from the tires out there, but other than that, it's not too bad. Last night when driving the Tiguan, we heard a little bit of wind noise going on over here. But again, nothing really major, no whistling sounds or anything like that. So, pretty quiet car if you want to take a trip out of town, and you can really enjoy yourself in the new Tiguan. The seats are fairly comfortable. I am about 6'1" and got plenty of leg room up here, so that's always a nice thing. And with that being said, there's plenty of leg room in the back as well. Windows are nice and big, so blind spots really aren't too bad. It's a little tough to demonstrate that right now while driving the car, but yeah, blind spots really aren't too bad. And the blind spot monitoring system on the mirrors out there is also a great feature, because it's going to light up and notify you when someone is in your blind spot, which I know a lot of y'all watching the video right now are probably familiar with that feature, because it seems like about every car brand out there right now is offering that feature on their vehicles. So, other than that, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about the new Tiguan. Do you drive a 2018? Do you drive a 2017? And check out the review I did, 2017 Tiguan versus 2018. Two different body styles. Which one do you like best? And if you want more safety tips or anything filmed on the new Tiguan or Atlas, just let me know. And again, there's already plenty of videos on the channel of the new Tiguan and Atlas, but we'll continue doing more just about every week, every month. So have a great one, everybody. We'll see you soon.